I'm Shweta Luhana, a decor stylist. I'm that dream weaver who listens to your story and converts it into a crafted canvas. And this is Serendipity Spaces because every space has a story to share. So what are we going to see today? Everybody's talking about the pandemic and like they say there is a silver lining to every dark cloud. This episode is all about intimate weddings. This is the story of Suhani Bakeri, a special story of a beautiful home wedding that was woven amidst this pandemic, which was just a father's dream and a daughter's desire. And with 10 days in hand. For them, the wedding was all about the closed ones. So they took me to the terrace, which was a space of, let's say, just 1500 square feet. They said that, we want the entire ceremony to happen here. And because we believe in the love of feeding, we would love to have a sit-down dinner. I love the whole idea, but how do I manage in a space which is just 20 feet by 15 feet long? And that's where the entire, mystery started. And that's where the challenge was converted into something that was unbelievably beautiful in the end of it. So being the car collectors that they are, they had an entry walkway with about, 20 cars parked on each side. Every family had a floor to themselves. And terrace was the only common space that they had. So the way I started decoding this entire journey was that let's have a mysterious entry. Parallel to the main entry was a little walkway which was used by the staff. And when I suggested that why don't we convert this into a whimsical garden walkway, everybody was kind of unsure about the whole thing. But I think sometimes it is all about the trust that someone believes in your vision, which leads to the most unbelievable setups. There were two major zones that we created. Narrow entry, which I don't think anyone except for the staff had ever used, became like a grand walkway for all the guests. And the best way to kind of mask it in the most flamboyant way was to make it completely filled with flowers, greens on both the sides. It had like floral arches and it became like a beautiful colorful garden walkway through which all of them walked. And in the night, with the twinkling lights around, it felt so surreal. The second most important zone was the terrace, wherein we decided that let's, have the chori tucked in the corner, which was more like a service utility space. And Suhani was very clear that I wanted only 15 to 20 of my closest people to be there during the fera. We had this lovely rustic chori with beautiful cane furniture around it, and the rear part of the terrace got converted into a sit-down dinner lounge. So, just to strike a volume to the entire space, which was very flat. We had a gazebo, which was in white drapes, about 20 feet tall and about, let's say, 30-35 feet in length, with white drapes. And it had beautiful chandelier in between. And there were like about, a seating of exactly 50 people with beautiful round tables in peach raw silk and beautiful rose center props, perfect for a royal sit-down dinner. I think it was the most wonderful canvas. Like I always say, it's never the effort of one person. It's always a brilliant team that kind of puts this entire reality together.
Thank you very much. And it looks extremely pretty. You've done everything magnificently. It's beautiful. Words won't do justice.
Turned out to be good. One is very, very, very happy.
Right, khush to bache everything.
अभी पक्का नहीं जो कहीं
I really want to thank Lalit Bhai for having that trust in me. I want to thank Suhani. I want to thank Sonu Auntie for being so loving. So I really want to thank all three of them for instilling that faith in me and weaving a wedding which is purely out of heart. We did end up doing a very beautiful looking wedding. It is the spirit of love of a father wanting to give away her daughter from the home, being bidded with a happy smile and tears of joy. And nothing more than that. So this is me, Shweta Luhana, signing off, hoping to come back soon. Maybe one more intimate wedding, weaving many more desires and many more emotions. Until then, goodbye.